My name's Tom. I'm from Sydney, Kirrawee, which is in Sydney. Doing two trades, my electrical trade and my instrumentation trade. I chose that career because it's very technically involved. It's also very hands-on, so you can get in there and you can do your work with your hands, and there's a lot of thinking involved, and I like that. My group training employer is MEGT. I'm looked after by Rhonda Moore. I can talk about all safety risks involved with the job, and so she can make sure that you are being treated well where you're working and you're learning what you need and you're working safely. The good thing about being employed to the group training organisation is they keep track of you. So you're working with your employer, but you've got somebody who sets time aside to come talk to you, see how you're going, and you can discuss a lot of OH&S risks with them, go over them. They make sure that you're working safely and you're fulfilling everything you need for your trade. An advantage with group training, I think, is there's the opportunity to get a large amount of experience because they move you around. And so you can kind of learn little bits from little various different places. They also keep track of you, so they make sure that you are actually progressing through your trade satisfactorily and not failing your TAFE. I guess I just knuckled down and got into it. I think you can still pay off a mortgage. I think you can still have a commitment to something so big as well as living your life. You just got to manage it. I'd like to get into kind of team leading, I guess, eventually. Usually at a company such as mine, you've got a group of maintenance people and they have to be run by a team leader or a maintenance manager, so possibly some kind of lower management, and then who knows from there. I think it's very important to have a passion for your trade, because if you enjoy your job, you don't have to work a day in your life. It's just every day is a lot of fun. Things are pretty busy for me at the moment because I'm also doing extra courses at night and actually have a home which I'm paying off. But it's very important to take time aside and, just enjoy yourself, because, life is there to be enjoyed. I haven't got any plans myself to go to university at this stage, maybe later. But I think getting a trade, it's a good job to be in. If you like hands-on work, it's good for you. I think a good thing to do is knuckle down and get your HSC first, because I think the HSC opens up a lot of opportunities for many trades. Not all trades need them, but there's a lot of trades that they prefer HSC, so get that and just get your act together and get out there and start working.